How to fix media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. For that, you need to move ahead to open Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. If there is any updates available, simply select update button and update it to the latest version. Now check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you need to simply tap and hold WhatsApp. Select I button to get access to the app info section of WhatsApp. Now tap storage uses and tap clear cache. This will remove all the bugs and glitches of app, and lastly restart your device. Simply hold the power button on your device, and then you need to swipe towards restart and restart your device. After that, your media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing issue will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.